So we'll see a lot of trends that are going to be impacting the food manufacturing world in 2025. There's a big push in automation. Larger CPG brands for foods are expanding their plans specifically in robotics. With that, they're going to need individuals that have such a high level of understanding towards how this machinery works, how we're going to calibrate it, what kind of code it's going to need, and overall, how is this machine going to impact the entire production process if something is down, and how are we going to relay around that? Those kinds of individuals are going to be it's a niche skill set that are going to be a high requirement for food manufacturing. Another big role that we'll see, various different kinds of R&D positions. Food manufacturing, for a long time, it might have been, the same things you probably see every day in your local supermarket, whatever the case is. But in the past decade, honestly, even the past 20 years, we've seen cultures from all around the world impact the different flavors and taste buds of all the consumers across the country and honestly the world, right? So we'll see these R&D individuals that are going to be implementing different kinds of flavors, different textures, and different types of materials that they're going to be using in their foods to market themselves towards consumers. So another role that I think might come up is marketing individuals on the specific plant floor. We found that candy sales are huge everywhere, right? But where they might get the biggest bump nowadays is through TikTok, different social medias. We've seen organizations have huge bumps in sales, revenue, net profits because they're able to market themselves from one year differently to the next. If you're able to set a standard where you're not just your copy paste company, you're able to really expand the consumers that they're going to want your kinds of products.